Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Spectrum, and today I'm going to be doing a different kind of video. I'm going to be showing you how to stream in vertical on YouTube. That way you can stream in vertical and your stream will show up in the shorts feed so you can get more viewers for your stream. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to go over to OBS and we'll get right into it. Okay, so here we are in OBS. What you want to do is go to settings, go to video. And right now you're 1920 by 1080, but you want to change that to 1080 by 1920. Okay, so there you go. Click apply, click OK. And there you are. You're ready to stream in vertical on YouTube and get a ton more views and more subs and watch time and all the good stuff that you know you need. So yeah, that's how you do it. If you need any more help, just let me know. Come in one of my streams, leave a comment on this video right here, and I will be glad to help you any way I can. Guys, that's all I have for you, and I'll see you in the next one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take